Here's a new 2022 Cadillac Escalade ESV. It stays true to its Cadillac soul, offering sophistication throughout while being everything you need an SUV to be with room galore. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. V8 engine, automatic with driver control suspension management, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, automated parking sensors, entertainment system with Blu-ray and digital media, memory exterior door mirror settings, heated steering wheel, streaming video feed rear view mirror, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Cadillac is driving the world forward. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.